Instantly transform your keyboard to have that perfect thocky sound with these ceramic keycaps from Key. Here's a before and after. So not only do they sound super satisfying, but it's just been an overall improvement from plastic keycaps because they feel so smooth. And for me, the best part is that they stay cool because I am on my computer all the time working and gaming, and it just really makes a difference that I wasn't aware of before. And as long as you have Cherry MX switches or MX style clones, you can make your dream build with all of their different color options. I love this purple and white combination that I grabbed. Honestly, this keyboard is more like an art piece in my office now, and if you really want to try these unique keycaps for yourself, I will have Key tagged and also a link in my bio.